Kembali kita berjumpa dengan Bapak Kepolisian tentunya dari Resor Lok Sumawe. Berjumpa juga kita dengan salah satu pengunjung dari luar tentunya di Kota Lok Sumawe. Perjalanan ditempuh dari beberapa kabupaten, tentunya dari tempat ini menuju ke Takengon. Ibu ini, kita berjumpa cerita bagaimana tentang kepuasan pengamanan di mudik lebaran ini tahun 2020 ini. Juga salah satu para wisata untuk menuju ke Danau Laut Tawar Aceh Tengah. Baik Ibu, kita berjumpa dengan salah satu pengunjung dari luar daerah menuju ke Aceh. Silakan please for you, my friend.
Yeah, hello guys. I'm in Aceh right now, exactly in Takengon. I was so grateful when I see Aceh tourism. And then for the police also really good and really honorable. They asked about the situation, and also because it's a Lebaran, we have a lot of traffic jam, but they really good to respect me about that. And yeah, it's really expert and really good, super. Yeah. And also I would like to grateful and thanks to Aceh head officer like Kapolda Aceh, and for a lot of police officer in Aceh. Thank you so much for protect our society, and it's really good. No traffic jam and safety for everything. Stay healthy. Bye.
Oke.